Once upon a sunny day in Duckburg, Donald Duck was strolling down the bustling streets, humming a cheerful tune. Suddenly, he heard loud sirens wailing in the distance. Curious, Donald quickened his pace and soon arrived at the Duckburg Bank. To his shock, he found a group of masked bandits led by the notorious Beagle Boys attempting to break into the bank's vault. Donald's eyes widened with determination as he realized the gravity of the situation. Without hesitation, he sprang into action. Dashing inside the bank, Donald shouted for everyone to take cover. The Beagle Boys, caught off guard by Donald's unexpected arrival, paused in surprise. Seeing his chance, Donald grabbed a nearby mob and bravely confronted the criminals. "Stop right there, you rascal!" Donald quaked, brandishing the mob like a sword. The Beagle Boys, though initially amused by Donald's boldness, soon found themselves on the defensive as Donald swung the mob with surprising agility. Ducking and dodging, Donald managed to disarm one of the bandits, sending him crashing into his comrades like a bowling pin. Meanwhile, the citizens of Duckburg, inspired by Donald's courage, began to rally behind him. The improvised weapon from brooms, buckets, anything they could find, joining Donald in the fight against the Beagle Boys. In a flurry of feathers and chaos, Donald and the citizens of Duckburg drove the bandits out of the bank and into the waiting arms of the police. With the day saved and the criminal apprehended, Duckburg erupted into the cheers and applause. As the sun set over Duckburg, Donald stood proud, knowing that he had once again proved that bravery and determination could triumph over adversity. And as he returned home, he couldn't help but feel grateful for the everyday heroes who had stood by his side in
Tiny story.